Honorable the juries, honorable the audience, honorable the teachers of junior high school from Dukuhseti 2, and my beloved friends, good morning. Thanks for the time that given to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Glory. I'm from Dukuhseti 2 Junior High School, Pati Regency, Central Java. At this time, I'm going to make speech entitled Unity in Diversity. Ladies and gentlemen whom we fully respect, Indonesia is a very big country with large area. It is located between two continents, Asia continent and Australia continent. It is also located between two oceans, Pacific Ocean and Indian Oceans. Indonesia consists of 13,667 islands with about 150 million populations. With a big amount of population who live in different islands and provinces, Indonesian people have different tribes, different cultures, different religions, different songs, different languages, different dances, and different traditional houses. Ladies and gentlemen whom we fully respect, there are many tribes such as Java, Bali, Sunda in West Java, Batak in Sumatra, Daya in Kalimantan, Madura, Maluku, Asmat tribes in Irian Jaya. There are 6 religions which are allowed by the government: Islam, Christian, Catholic, Konghucu, Hindu, and Buddha. Javanese speak Java language. Balinese speak Bali language. People who live at a certain area with their tribes use their own language to communicate with others. Ladies and gentlemen whom we fully respect, Central Java has gabyong dance, traditional joglo house, and most of the people speak Java language. West Java has jaipong dance, traditional kesebuahan house, and most of the people speak Sunda language. West Sumatra has a lilin dance, rumah gadang, and they speak Melayu language. Although we have different things, we have one flag, red and white. We have one national language, Indonesia language. We have one state, one nation, and one country, Indonesia. Should we separate for the others because of different language? Should we separate because of different tribes, different song, and different dance, different cultures? Should we fight each other because of different religions, skin color, and form of hair? I don't think so. Ladies and gentlemen, whom we fully respect, we have to put the differences away and take the similarities. We need peace, we need energy, mind, human resources, and a lot of fun to build our nation in order to be strong and well-farmed. By hard studying, by hard working, and by hard building of this nation, the Indonesian people will have enough food, enough drink, enough clothes, and enough shelter. The Indonesian people and the government have Pancasila, Undang-Undang Dasar 1945, and Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Even though we are different, we have one motherland, that is Indonesia. We have to defend our country from enemies. Unity in diversity. Once again I say, unity in diversity. Ladies and gentlemen whom we fully respect, a motto says, today must be better than yesterday, and tomorrow must be better than today. So, let's build our nation together for the better future. I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm sorry for my mistake and see you later. Good morning.